You baked a pan of brownies. After your friends ate some, one third of the pan was left. Then another friend ate a quarter of the amount that was left after that. What fraction of a pan of brownies is left now? Make a math drawing that illustrates why you multiply to answer this question and finds the answer. Okay, so I'm going to draw a pan of brownies. And it says your friend ate some and a third of the pan is left. So we're going to cut this into thirds. Okay, and only one third remains. So I'm just going to shade the part that's left. Okay, the white part is gone. White part is gone, only the purple part is left. Okay. So now another friend comes along and eats one quarter of what's left. So of the part that's still here, they eat one quarter of it. So I'm going to cut this into quarters. And one quarter of it gets eaten. So we got to remind ourselves that the white part is the eaten part and the shaded part is what remains. So I want to get rid of one quarter because my friend eats it. Okay, so I'm getting rid of one quarter. Okay, so a friend comes along and eats one quarter of the one third that's left. So this piece goes away. Okay, so now how much is left? Okay, so how much, what fraction of a pan of brownies is left now? Okay, so I have three pieces of brownie left, right? I've got one, two, three quarters of one third. Okay, so try to figure out what fraction of the whole that is. I'm going to extend these lines so that I have all equal pieces. And I have 3 by 1, right? So this array is 3 rows, 1 column. So 3 by 1. Out of how many total pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 3. Okay, so that's 3/12 of the pan remains, which is equivalent to one quarter. And if I was going to do this as a multiplication problem, we would say we started with one third of the tray, and then a friend ate a quarter, which means they left 3 quarters. So 3 quarters of one third is 3/12 or one fourth.